Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give Spigen a huge shout out. They sent me the Spigen GLAS.tR Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. What's really nice about this specific screen protector is it comes with an installation kit that makes the process super duper easy. You got a very nice presentation here. You can see the kit right there. GLAS.tR Easy Fit. You get 2 tempered glass screen protectors.
On the back, easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating, surface hardness, Spigen case friendly. And well, you get a QR code if you want to watch Spigen's installation video.
Very nice. So let's get a good look at what's in the box. We're going to go through everything. And then I'm going to speed up the video while I do the install. And then we'll get a good look at the GLAS.tR Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector when it's said and done on my Z Fold 6. All right, we got everything out of there. Check out the squeegee. That's pretty cool. That little handle there. Looks like a little paint scraper. Really nice. You do get an installation guide, so please read everything. Thank you for choosing Spigen. Very important for those of you that have never ever installed the GLAS.tR Easy Fit screen protector with the kit. Again, it's going to be a fun install, especially when it's made that much easier for you. 2 dust absorbers, because you got 2 tempered glass screen protectors there. 1 microcloth. We're going to put that right over here. And 2 lens and screen cleaning wipes. All right, let's put one of these away. I turned off my Z Fold 6. It's going to make it that much easier because I don't need the display turning on and off during the process. I got a little rubbery mat here that helps keep my Z Fold 6 in place, keeps it from slipping too much and rocking. Without that little mat, there's a bit of a rock there. With the mat, not so much. So really important to find something in your home that you can use to stabilize or somewhat stabilize your smartphone during a screen film protector or tempered glass screen protector install. Microcloth, squeegee, alcohol prep wipe, dust absorber, and here we have the kit with this sticker here that points straight up, top. It's going to sit right over the top of my Z Fold 6. But first, before we do that, after the display is really clean, I'm completely satisfied in where that is at for me. It's hard to see, but there is some protective film in this area. You got that little orange pull tab attached to that protective film. We'll pull that away. And again, after the display is really nice and clean, then we'll put it over the top. Just like that. We'll rub down on this sticker. Let it sit for a few, then peel the sticker away, pull up. If there's any bubbles, we'll use the squeegee. You can use the microcloth too if you want to use your thumbnail or your finger nail like that. Doesn't matter, however you choose to do it, but this is a great tool to use. And then there'll be another protective film over the actual screen protector. We'll peel that off and everything should look great. So with that being said, enjoy the process. got to tell you, that looks great. That right there was one of the easiest tempered glass installs I've ever done here on TMI Project 13. Wow. I am digging it. All right, I have a case over here from Nilken. It's the Cam Shield fold case. Got a little sliding door to protect the cameras. You got a kickstand. So what we're going to do is put this case on and see if there's any issues with the frame surrounding the Spigen GLAS.tR Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector. What we don't want to see is the frame pushing up against the tempered glass screen protector and causing it to lift. You can see that there's a little bit of space going on there. So you're not going to have any issues with this case from Nilken and the Spigen tempered glass screen protector whatsoever. So that right there is a huge thumbs up. And don't forget that all the information to purchase the Spigen GLAS.tR Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector, that was super duper easy to put on. That information will be down below in the description area. Spigen, thank you so much for the opportunity. With that, I am out. God bless you all. Peace.